All right, low-key, kind of a special thing that's going to be happening. Jonathan's going to get intakes put in on the M2, so it's going to be sick. I think it's going to sound insane. I've never heard or been inside of a S58 car with intakes. Not personally been in one yet, so it's going to be interesting to see. We're going to record it. We're going to record the install currently. It's stock, and then we're also going to be doing the unboxing video, which is going to be sick too. But we're just waiting for Colby, so yeah, it's kind of the intro. But we're doing intakes today on the G87 M2. I think it's going to be lots of fun. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens. And then we'll definitely get some sound clips. And we've got all the cars right here. G87 M2 and F87 M2, which is my car. This is the, the personal. I haven't even shown it on the channel really. But we'll get to that. But we're just waiting on Colby. And I think he's about to show up here in a couple seconds. So there he is. The man himself. And on the new wheels. Woo-wee. Wait, Colby's going to move the Tesla.
What do you think, man?
I fucking think it looks sick.
I'm hitting my coil over.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, I knew I was going to. I was hoping I wouldn't. I cambered my coils. But going down the road, if you turn, it fucking goes like this.
Oh, shit. Does it damage it or no? Dude, it looks so good. Oh my god.
The right choice, bro.
I think you did as well. It looks awesome. Should Jonathan move the Tesla so we can all just park in the driveway? Yeah, let's do it.
Dude, good morning. Good morning, dude.
Good morning.
Oh, we always say that.
Yeah, that camber set in, that's for sure. Compared to from the last video.
I had to adjust it.
Yeah, definitely. It looks good though.
It does look good.
I love that. This thing gets so much attention, huh?
It
It looks so good.
I had 3 people on the way here taking a picture.
Yeah, it looks so good. And now we got all the cars parked up here. It looks so sick.
Only if we had... Wait, do we have anyone else with a cool car?
No. Not that I know. I mean
M car.
I don't know any other M cars.
There needs to be an F80 here.
That would be insane. I don't know any F80 owners. Unboxing? Yes, sir. Okay. Pause.
Yeah.
Hopefully everything's in
What
there.
the fuck is that?
I'm not sure.
I don't know either.
Oh, it's
It's like rubber seal.
yeah.
Oh, we won't. I wouldn't put that shit on.
There it is, man.
It does restrict sound.
Yeah.
What does the boxes?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you put them over this.
Boxes. Oh, these things?
Yeah, they're
I
like
don't want to freaking boxes.
they're like little shields that you put over this.
What does it do?
Nothing.
Pretty much nothing.
It acts like it's soft seat, but they're metal intakes.
Yeah, it doesn't make any.
And you also have an S58, which is like the coolest car on the board. Not cool as in like, that's sick, because that is. But, like temperature-wise.
Stock airbox is off. Wow. All right. That one's in. That one's about to be in. And yeah. What company is it from again? Is that the logo right there? Actually, you know what? I'm blurring that shit out because fuck those guys.
Yeah,
and
they don't pay us.
I'm literally bleeping that, dude. I'm bleeping what I said. So
You can probably
they're
tell.
blue.
I can't put down the cup.
That guy's gonna sue us, bro.
Dude, he'd actually pull up.
I poured them up.
He would sit on the car. And
He would take the whole garage up, but dude, shut up him.
Jonathan, you see your turbo right there?
Where?
Right here. But this is turbo, trust me.
How about you trust these nuts?
One day in the middle of the night, you mind if I just come sliding through this neighborhood?
Dude,
Like drifting?
Pull up, yeah, I don't care. No seat heater?
Yeah, dude, honestly.
Medium?
That's
No,
luxury
put on
right
high.
High?
I hope it picks it up on the camera.
We're in comfort right now.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Ooh, that sounds so good. Doesn't this sound sick? Wait, roll up your window, Jonathan.
On them?
Yeah, the one's already up.
Oh.
So we can eat fully. Alright.
That's crazy.
I love that. That sounds awesome. Well, congrats, Jonathan. You're eligible to get state refed.
Yes, you are.
Oh, dude.
They're not going to, though.
Just don't stop.
No, his car's not, like, loud, and it doesn't, like, draw enough attention.
Try it again. Ooh, that sounds so good.
I'm telling you, you gotta use paddles, though.
Paddles?
go like slow so you can give this guy like a little.
Should we do a rip?
Not crazy, bro, but enough to hear it.